Hi everybody. Today, yesterday I created the cluster of the Kafka and Cassandra nodes, and today we are running tests to see the throughput of the messages that can be sent. And I see it. That's it for me for now. Then I will go back to the SDK tasks.
So yesterday we continued to design the SDK. Today I continue to do it, and specifically I'm going to create the test skeleton for the SDK class and the mission class. And that's all.
So yesterday we worked for the interface of the SDK, and today we will create a test skeleton for needs and messages. That's it.
Yesterday I worked on the product design for the autonomous boat scenario, and today I met with our new marketing coordinator, and I'm working on the driver side for the decentralized ride-hailing app. This is it.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. Started off the day, had a great comments meeting with Rachel and John. So spoke about some strategies, spoke about the communication happening and a few things as it pertains to that. Now heading off to a blockchain meeting for a little bit, a blockchain conference, and then we'll be coming back a little later in the afternoon and working on a few content pieces and things like that. Thanks everybody, have a great day.
Hey Davers, what's up? So today started the day with filming the developers for the DailyDAV, and after that I prepared and sent some materials to Joe for his request. Then I edited the DailyDAV, and right now I'm working and will continue working for the rest of the day on a Commotion and Connect event. That's it, see you next time.
Hey there Davers. So I'm in California, I'll be here for the next couple of weeks. Right now I'm in California Maritime University. Behind me you can see Professor Holden and Nemo, which is the autonomous boat we'll be launching in a few minutes. We've been talking for the past couple of hours about the POC we're going to be running together, showing how Nemo is going to be able to purchase charging on top of the dev network, all in service of collecting scientific data from the bay. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hi people! A few days I made serious beautiful presentations for our great partners. Today I'll continue work for it. Follow us and we will work more better.